When you're shopping for a new car, reliability is often a top priority. However, not all vehicles stand the test of time. Today, we're ranking the 8 least reliable cars that may give you trouble before hitting the 50,000-mile mark. These models are plagued by performance issues, reliability concerns, and high maintenance costs, making them vehicles you might want to avoid. 1. Kia, with 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and Kia models featuring the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia Soul, have garnered complaints for engine failures. While these vehicles are attractively priced around $20,000, their reliability is questionable. The exterior design of these models is sleek and modern, with a sporty touch, but the interiors are often basic, with entry-level materials. Performance-wise, the engine struggles under strain, leading to potential overheating and failure, sometimes before even reaching 50,000 miles. A recall for engine issues only further highlights these models' reliability concerns. 2. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue, starting at around $28,000, has gained a reputation for lackluster performance and reliability. Its exterior styling is modern, with sharp lines and a bold grille, making it visually appealing. Inside, the Rogue is spacious with decent tech features, but it's not enough to mask the frequent transmission problems that plague this SUV. Many owners report that the continuously variable transmission, CVT, wears out quickly, leading to jerky acceleration and unexpected breakdowns, often before reaching the 50,000-mile mark. These mechanical issues make the Rogue a risky buy. 3. GMC Sierra. The GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado are among America's most popular trucks, with prices starting around $36,000. However, despite their rugged exteriors and luxurious interiors, their reliability has been called into question. Both models suffer from common transmission and electrical issues that can leave owners with expensive repair bills early on. Performance-wise, while these trucks are powerful, their reliability issues tend to surface around 50,000 miles, with reports of engine misfires, fuel system problems, and even total transmission failure. Despite their popularity, they're not the most dependable workhorses. The fourth Jeep Grand Cherokee 4X and Wrangler 4X. Jeep's foray into plug-in hybrids, with the Grand Cherokee 4X and Wrangler 4X, priced from $59,000, hasn't been the smoothest. Both models have rugged, iconic designs that scream adventure, but their performance tells a different story. These vehicles suffer from a range of issues, including unreliable hybrid systems and electrical problems. Owners report battery drain, rough shifting, and poor fuel efficiency. Additionally, build quality issues and software glitches often appear before the 50,000-mile mark, making them a risky choice for anyone seeking long-term reliability. 5. Jaguar FPace. The Jaguar FPace, a luxury SUV priced at around $55,000, offers stunning exterior styling with a sleek, sporty look. Inside, it's high class with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. However, Jaguar's reputation for reliability doesn't extend to the FPace. Owners often face issues with the electrical system, transmission, and even engine components before the 50,000-mile mark. These issues can lead to costly repairs, tarnishing the appeal of this luxury SUV. Despite its good looks and driving dynamics, its frequent breakdowns make it one of the least reliable in its class. 6. Land Rover Range Rover. Starting at over $100,000, the Land Rover Range Rover is the epitome of luxury, but it's plagued by reliability issues. Its imposing exterior and lavish interior, featuring high-end materials, make it stand out. But frequent mechanical problems are common. Owners report engine failures, suspension problems, and constant electrical malfunctions. The vehicle's complex technology systems often glitch, leaving drivers with costly repair bills well before hitting 50,000 miles. While it delivers a smooth ride and off-road capability, its notorious lack of dependability makes it one of the least reliable luxury SUVs. 7. Ford Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport, priced around $34,000, may look rugged and adventurous, but its reliability leaves much to be desired. The exterior design is bold, capturing the classic Bronco spirit, and the interior is practical, with enough tech features for modern drivers. However, frequent transmission issues, poor build quality, and powertrain problems arise early in the vehicle's life. Owners report rough shifting, engine stalling, and electrical issues, often before reaching the 50,000-mile mark. Despite its attractive price and styling, the Bronco Sport may disappoint in the long run. 8. Volkswagen Ta. The Volkswagen Ta, starting at around $25,000, promises to be a budget-friendly compact SUV with a stylish exterior and decent interior features. However, many owners report problems with the engine and transmission early on. Performance-wise, the Ta struggles with acceleration and has been known to suffer from stalling and poor fuel economy. Its small turbocharged engine is prone to failure, often before hitting 50,000 miles, leading to costly repairs. While its low price tag and sleek design make it tempting, its reliability issues should be a red flag for potential buyers. There you have it, 8 cars that might leave you stranded before you hit the 50,000-mile mark. While they may be appealing in terms of price, design, or features, their reliability simply doesn't hold up. If you're looking for a dependable vehicle, these are the ones you might want to think twice about before signing on the dotted line. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more car rankings and reviews.